Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to pay fee online for Canadian citizenship application. First, we need to open our web browser and write down here how to pay fee for Canadian citizenship application, canada.ca. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can open directly through that link. Now I click on this link, pay your fee online. Scroll down, select your application type, select from this drop down citizenship and click on continue. Pay your application fee online, fee, quantity and price. You can choose from here. Are you applying for adult or for minor? I choose here for adult. I click here one quantity and now we need to click on submit. Here you can see the summary of our fee. And now we need to click on login and pay. Login. If you have already account with IRCC, then you can directly enter your email ID and password and click on login. But I will show you how to register. Click on register. Registration step 1 of 3. Now we need to enter here email ID and click on continue. Registration step 2 of 3. Create your password, confirm password and click on continue. Create your recovery question and answer. Here you can see some question and answer and we have to fill these questions and these are for recovery question, and if you forget your password then you can enter this question and you can open your account for pay fee. You can open your account with IRCC for pay your fee online. And now I fill this question. I click on continue. Check your email to finish your registration. Enter your verification code and enter here code. First I check my code from my email. And click on verify. Registration email confirmation. Thank you for confirming your email. Click on continue. And now I need to click on this checkbox. I have read and understand. And click on proceed and secure checkout. Checkout contact information, email, phone number. Payment method, are you pay by Visa, MasterCard or debit card? Here you need to enter card holder name, card number, month and year, CVV number on your card. Billing address, here you need to fill your home address, city, country, province and postal code. After that, click on secure checkout. In this way you are ready to apply for your fee online. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos related to form, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.